What is good, YouTube? So today we have a kind of crazier video. As you guys can read by the title, this is probably the most expensive box I ever purchased. Probably will for the time being. This is kind of a crazy box. It came today, which is great. As you know, it's 4,000, and this is like a wholesale mystery box. So I know I'm gonna be making money on this, but I want to unbox it with you guys to let you guys know, to see what you guys think about it. If you guys like this kind of content, before I open this, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps my small channel boost up in the search so people can watch it. And yeah, if you guys are new here, I buy a wholesale mystery boxes. Well, a wholesale, but try to make the mystery and unbox them for you. I kind of know like 2 or 3 shirts that are in here that makes it worthwhile, so it's, you know. Alright guys, so I got the box here. I finally got it open. This thing took forever, but this is the box. And we're just gonna start pulling off from the top. Off the top we have a, looks like it's an Energizer shirt. Well, front and back on the Hanes 50/50. Cool. Probably like 30 to 40. I'm gonna try to like, what I usually do is put the values on some of the items there, and I would say this is probably like a $40 tee, probably a little more. And then I'll put it up here as well, the real price. This looks like it's a round 2 shirt. I don't know the value on this. These are kind of cool though. Round 2 sports, you can't go wrong with that. Put the value up here. Alright, we have a blank tag. This is Rhymes Blue. I don't know, it kind of looks like a rap tee. I'd imagine it's up in the 50s plus, 50 plus, probably more. There's a lot of shirts in here, so there's gonna be some filler. So this is on a MO knit. It is a crime science investigation, a CBS shirt. A little back hit. Probably another $40 tee here. Don't worry guys, there's some crazy bangers on the end of this. Gonna make up for all these. This is on a Champion. Champion New York tags. So Harvard. These actually go for a lot of money. I'd imagine this is a lot, like close to 50 plus. That's actually pretty funny because everyone can get it. It's Boss U. Single stitch. Yeah, this is probably, I want to say this is like in the 80s, probably more, just because it's a kind of crazy shirt. We have a Nike white tag. It looks like it's the Court Challenge tee, I think it's called. This is probably a good amount of money. This is probably, it's got to be more than 50, so that's cool. I know if you find these on, like, I think polos or just a regular shirt, they're pretty pricey. Okay. A silver tag Nike. This is cool. It's got the big spell out. This is probably like a 35, a little more maybe. Nothing on the back, but it's cool. Another Nike tee. White tag, made in USA. Nike basketball. Probably another $35 tee, 30 to 35. Have a Polo Ralph Lauren. Oh snap! Ooh, that's fire! I was kind of scared. Yeah, this is like 50 bucks plus. This actually might stand the personal. I don't have a Polo Bear polo. That's cool. I love that. Alright, I've sold this before. It's an Aztec polo, Ralph Lauren. This sold for me for 50 plus, so that's great. I actually really like these. I actually love selling the vintage like vintage polo polos. You can't go wrong with those. Have a Juanita tag. Looks like it's a Jesus Christ shirt. Yeah, Christ is the King. Calvin Klein. That's what this is. It's a Calvin Klein like knockoff. I think this is another like 50 plus shirt here. Okay, this is cool. Oh, it looks like an older Disneyland tag. This is a Cruel film from the Dalmatians. Man, this is above 50. I don't really see a 1001 Dalmatian t-shirts that often. And she's a badass, so. We have a Screen Stars Best. This is We Come in Peace. This is a nice little alien tee. Imagine this is above 40 plus. And we have a Through the Moon. Atlanta Braves. America's Braves team. Wow, I can't read. It's probably 35 plus. Pretty cool shirt. Still got a good amount left. Got a little All Sports here. This is Girls Kick Ass. Okay, cool. This is pretty cool. This is like Alice in Wonderland. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. It's probably another $50 tee right here. Probably a lot more than that. Oh, this one's sick. This might stay in the personal. It's the Harley Davidson. This is the lightning one. This is cool. Cut off sleeves is okay. This is still like a $50 to $60 tee. I might keep that though for lifting. It's a nice shirt, man. I love that one. And we have a Juanita tag. And it is a Breaking the Chains, Million Man March. Another one of these. Cool. It's like my third one now. This is probably, it's gotta be like $100 tee here. It's cool. I like that one. We have on a official fan sportswear. Got a Chicago Bulls tee here. 1996. Oh, with the Looney Tunes. I haven't seen this one before. This is kind of lit. I gotta say like 70 plus on this. This is cool. I might keep that too. Oh, I see it. I hope this fits, man. This is the third one I've got that. I hope it fits. Got the Lord's Gym, His Pain, Your Gain. This is $70 to $100 tee here. And yeah, that's probably for me. Yep. Oh, that's awesome. I hope that fits. We have a blue tag Nike. Just a little check. I've actually had this shirt before. It sells for about 50 plus, 50 to 70. It's essential. Alright. Man, this is cool. We have a ODM. And it looks like it's a DBZ shirt. Oof. That bag is crazy. It's a Dragon Ball. But we got Goku, Master Roshi, little kid Goku. That's sick. I actually have never seen this design before. This gotta be at least like, I don't know, gotta be up in the 70s, 70 plus. Alright, on a gray tag Nike, and a little Air Jordan. It's probably a little hit on the back too. I gotta say this is probably another $60 plus $70 tee here, probably more. Salem tag here. Looks like it's Woodson, I think. Oh, Bo Jackson. Yeah, I'm trash. Bo Jackson. It's probably like 50 to 75, a little more than that. We have a X-Men. This is kind of a crazy looking destructive piece. X-Men Mutant Gear, little Gambit. In this condition, I don't know. This is kind of crazy though. I could imagine this is still like $100 tee because somebody will like that style. But I have to look this up. It's cool though. Kind of sad that it's super destroyed because it totally would rock that. Oh, nice. Okay. I'm liking that. Got a giant tag here. We got Rage Against the Machines. This is a really, 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 really sick shirt, and I'm probably gonna keep this for me. But I actually just got word that these are going up in value right now, and I think I could get $150 to $200 on this, maybe more. This is crazy. We'll see what it's at, but I want to keep that probably. Yeah, we'll get into some crazy pieces that I can see. There's a few left, And so, if you guys are looking to buy any of this stuff, everything's in the Depop below. If you're looking to buy any of this stuff, my Instagram, my Depop, and my eBay are down below. Just hit me up. I'm always active on there. If you have questions, reselling, vintage, hit me up. I'll answer them as best as I can. But we're gonna keep going. This is on a Disney store. See here? It is all over print. Pocahontas, brand new with tags. Did I say Pocahontas? This is Pocahontas, right? Sure. This is Pocahontas. Now it is. Pretty sure this is. Size small. This is like, I don't even know. This has got to be like a $200 tee here. Oh, it is Pocahontas. See? Yeah, it's probably like, it's got to be up there. Alright. We have a Arizona jean cup. That's kind of weird. Nice little Batman all over print. This movie was amazing. I actually really want the Mr. Free shirt that I see everyone have. Gotta say this is a $100 tee, probably more, just because I've never seen that before. I can't, like, that's crazy. Yeah, we got a lot of shit in here still. Okay, looks like it's a Bob Dylan tee. The Petty Heartbreakers tour. Don't know the year on this, but imagine this is a $150 plus. I have to do a little research, but it's cool. Very thin. It's got to be like 80s. Oh, I was just thinking about this, how I wanted one of these so bad. Here. Oh, this is probably staying in the personal, bro. This is a crazy piece, especially right now. This is exactly what, like, yeah, that's crazy. I think this is about $100, $200, maybe more. I was just thinking about how I wanted one. I saw it on Instagram today. I'm like, damn, man, I need that. Right, we have a no tag. Guns N' Roses, Use Your Illusions tour in 1991. Probably about $150 plus to $200. I like it. Tag, Nike, wide drive, you can fly, value TV determined, because I don't know, but oh, that's a crazy piece. I should have kept that in the bag. Alright, we got a second piece too. So another Nike gray tag, little Air Jordan, front and back. Yeah, these are probably, these gotta be up there, man. These are crazy. This looks like this could fit me too. I might have to squeeze into this. Oh man, that's crazy. We got one more little bag like that. We got some, oh my god. Yo guys, I got 4 tees left for you guys. If you guys like any of these t-shirts that you're about to see, smash that like button, because this is crazy. I'm gonna start with this one, this first one, because this one's less crazy than the other one. Okay. Cotton Heritage 2XL. We got the Bob Marley wrap tee. It's crispy as butter. That's dope. I like it. And that's probably, it's gotta be up there. Bob Marley tees. Wrap tees are always good. But here's the one I know that was in here. I've been eyeing. It's on the changes tag. Got the Venom all over print from, can't even find the date. I'm like distraught right now. Yeah, this is bomb. Got the like tie-dye Venom on the back. This is most likely staying in the personal because this is gonna fit me. And this is a crazy t-shirt. Like this is one of the ones I knew that was in here. I'm pumped for this one. These last two though. You guys want a sneak peek? Give you a sneak peek of that. A little bit of the back side here. Alright. It's time. On the Gildan heavyweight tag, we have the Marilyn Manson "When I'm God Everyone Dies" tee. Just take that into just take that into its full. Honestly, this right here, it's got the hits on the sleeve, no forgiveness, no salvation. You guys saw in the last video I got the Marilyn Manson tee. That one was cool. This is the one that I've been wanting. This shit is insane. I want to pop this on like right now, but yeah, it's beautiful. Oh. And last but not least, another beautiful tee. This one is also, I wouldn't say as much of a grail for me. I like Ozzy, but yeah, we got the Ozzy Osbourne. I think 1993. This is the tee. The tattoo all over print. Grailer of the t-shirt. Like this is insane. This is a size large. If you guys are interested, let me know. Because it's not gonna fit me. Maybe. I might stretch it. But yeah. What you guys think of this wholesale box that I got? Mystery box? Yeah, I mean, between the Venom, Marilyn Manson, Ozzy shirt, like, it's like insane. Yeah, so like I said, like, comment, subscribe. If you like anything, hit me up on Instagram.